Meghalaya's own Steve Jyrwa has once again brought pride to the state by reaching the finals of India's Best Dancers Season 4, set to take place on the 10th and 11th of November 2024 in Mumbai. Jyrwa recently showcased his skills in the semi-final round, where his exceptional talent secured him a direct spot in the national competition's final stage. In a statement of gratitude, Steve's mother, Bibi Jyrwa, expressed her gratitude to God and to Pinthor Umkhra MLA A.L. Hek for his steadfast support. She called on the public to rally behind her son, explaining that voting for the final round will be available through the Sony Live and Lenskart apps, with each app allowing up to 500 votes per finalist. Voting will remain open throughout the entire week leading up to the final on the 10th and 11th November 2024, she added.
Kublai shiponi pibara din kong ai ngui play bau khun ngau la po sedusha kathong to kainak te ngakwa ban ai kublai baru da elhet ade emele nak te jogi nom song nadu ning kong ila tersan bhai Steve te menta bade la de kapor ban wood last tak menta tayo te nakawai ka app hila ban buat san spa tali te kadon artali ka app kawai Sony Live bat kawai ka Lenskart te san spa tali hila ban buat ka final kan umlong si pau bat khat wi tarik te kublai shibun ki paj baru kawai bala kersan bhayu Steve Jyrwa kwa ban ai kublai baru ngamla ban jer kritek namar baru hi kawai ka jalala support bhayu Steve.
Meanwhile, the president of the All Meghalaya Dancing Association, Kitbok Thaba, conveyed appreciation for the encouragement from Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, Cabinet Minister Paul Lingdo and others who have supported Steve in his journey. Thaba also urged upon the state government to extend further support to the association in its mission to nurture young talent, enabling Meghalaya's dancers to excel not only nationally but also on the international platforms.
Chief Minister Jangi Perempuram sa Conrad Sangma ibala kloy ban no sniang na banta jong Steve ngai khublei ru na banta jong iba Paul Lingdo idei Minister jong ka Art and Cultures ai khublei ru na banta jong i snyo balang mo la bon hi ba yarap mo ki bala bon ngi namla ban benchan na do snyo balang baro kla bon bat nga kermen ru begini baro kinang ya jing kesian cucu ya kan ko sian jong i bangin ang klan cucu ban nang train na banta kin ki khon samla jong ka jalam Meghalaya bro kunjuk ri kisang balang ba phero pher ki bangim na ban nyom mo la du ki PGP bat ki KSU bat ki be ngi ba chu ban nyom teng ai khublei pi baro ya ka jing kloi ka jong pi ban spread ya khbor nang ban ta jong Steve dailing ba jong pi kisang balang ki bala ya bun keleng bala ya spread keleng nang ban ta jong Steve dei hata ba Steve un sapoi kan ya thong ka jing job bat ki ka buat du ka la ngi la yo ba ka jing kerja sekaliang ke chonga hi presiden jo ba Meghalaya dan Sasen ngabu ka jing kerpat mo ya ka sarkar MDA siapa ICM di Master Conrad Sangma ba in subha ben nang ajing kerchan susu ya ka ai gelenti ka ba ka Australian jungi ka yan teng kerparet ya ICM bat nagaliang ka sarkar MDA bahkan ya dan mentalam bat ka Australian jungi khanang bangi ngila ban pentelun om tang Steve kitang dan ki upcoming jong ki nong sharp ki nong wa ki ban present ya ka national level but international level akan tu ya ka sarkar MDA bahkan ya snok tilang ba dia trilang bat ka sen jengi khnang bangi nginang la ban kan tiu di kun samla jong jala